How can I apply for a national identity number in India?
Hey there! Welcome to this video on how to apply for a national identity number in India. The National Identity Number, also known as the Aadhaar Number, is a unique 12-digit identification number issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI. Having an Aadhaar number is essential for various government services and transactions in India. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of applying for your Aadhaar number step by step. Let's get started.
Gathering required documents.
The first step in applying for an Aadhaar number is to gather the required documents. You'll need the following. 1. Proof of identity. You can use documents like a valid passport, PAN card, voter ID card, or driving license. 2. Proof of address. Documents such as a utility bill, bank statement, or rental agreement can be used as proof of address. 3. Date of birth proof. You can submit documents like a birth certificate, SSLC certificate, or passport to verify your date of birth. Make sure to gather these documents and keep them handy before proceeding to the next step.
Locating the Aadhaar Enrollment Center.
Once you have your documents ready, the next step is to locate the nearest Aadhaar Enrollment Center. You can find the center closest to your location by visiting the official UIDAI website or by calling the toll-free number provided by UIDAI. Make sure to choose a center convenient for you and check their timings to plan your visit accordingly.
Visiting the Enrollment Center.
Now that you have your documents and know the location of the Enrollment Center, it's time to visit the center in person. Here's what you need to do. 1. Visit the center during their working hours. 2. Carry all the required documents with you as mentioned in Section 1. 3. Fill out the Aadhaar enrollment form provided at the center. You can also find the form online on the UIDAI website and fill it out beforehand to save time. 4. Submit your documents along with the filled-out form to the enrollment operator. 5. Your biometric data will be captured, including fingerprints and iris scan, as part of the enrollment process. 6. Make sure to verify the details entered in the enrollment form before submitting it.
Receiving acknowledgement slip.
After completing the enrollment process, you will receive an acknowledgement slip. This slip contains an enrollment number that you can use to track the status of your Aadhaar application. Keep this slip safe as you'll need it in the future for various purposes related to your Aadhaar number.
Waiting for Aadhaar generation.
Once you have submitted your application, it will take some time for your Aadhaar number to be generated. The processing time can vary, but you can generally expect to receive your Aadhaar number within a few weeks. During this time, you can track the status of your application using the enrollment number on the UIDAI website or by calling the toll-free number.
Receiving your Aadhaar number.
Once your Aadhaar number is generated, you will receive it through SMS on the mobile number provided during the enrollment process. You can also download a digital copy of your Aadhaar card, known as the e-Aadhaar, from the UIDAI website using your enrollment number or Aadhaar number. Make sure to keep your Aadhaar number safe and remember it as it will be required for various official purposes. That's it. You've reached the end of this video on how to apply for a national identity number.